Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to change payment method on Crunchyroll application. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to change payment method on Crunchyroll, first of all go ahead and tap on Crunchyroll application, and then you'll be appeared with the home screen of Crunchyroll application. Now go ahead and tap on account, which is in the bottom right corner. After you do that, you will be available with several options. Now under membership you can see subscription, so go ahead and tap on it. Here you can tap on Go Premium, and then here you can see there are several fans that you can buy premium of. You can select anyone and then tap on start subscription. And after you do that, you will be available with the Google Play payment method into your home screen. Now it says add payment method to your Google account, so you can go ahead and add your payment method to your Google account first, and then go ahead and tap on any of the payment method you have selected, and then go ahead and buy your premium. So that's how we can easily add payment method on Crunchyroll application in order to enjoy limitless videos and animes. So that was it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.